Okay, this video is going to show you how to change the item asset barcode from 1D to 2D. So what you need to do, come back to the main page, go to setup, label manage. Okay, find the label of this design. Here, which is under auto track item label. Click edit. Okay, now select by highlighting the barcodes. The default is code 128. What you need to do, drop down the code 128 here, change it to QR code, make this one into the back auto module. Okay, resize the thing to square. Okay, now hamburger, save. Okay, label is saved. Come back to here, you preview again. Sorry, you need to select the records. See, now the label is become QR code. That's it.